Today, I'm going to tell you about why a clear storage bin can help you find things quicker if you have ADHD. Point number one, out of sight, out of mind. And what this means is that if something is not in your field of view where you can see it, where you can turn and physically see that thing, then you may not remember that it's there. You may just be like, hey, I'm trying to find this thing, don't know where it is. I saw it a few minutes ago, but you put it somewhere in a hiding place and now it is out of your sight. The great thing about a clear storage bin is you can see inside it. So it's never out of sight, out of mind, because you can just look over in that direction and say, oh, that's where I put that. Or hey, I really need to find this. I know I put my Christmas decorations somewhere or decoration for Halloween somewhere. Which one of these things, these bins, is it in? You have a clear storage bin, don't have to worry about that because you can just look and say, oh, it's right there. Maybe you put some jeans or some clothes away for the wintertime and the summertime. And then when it gets to that time of year again, you want to take them out and find them. Well, with a clear storage bin, you can just go look and see, oh, yeah, I put it in that bin right there. Now, if you have an opaque bin, then you're not going to be able to do that. You're going to have to walk around and figure out which one you put in, and maybe you have to look into them and figure out, okay, well, where is this thing? Where did I put it? I know it's in one of these things, and now you have to go look through many, many different bins to find the one that you put that thing in. Clear storage bin, don't have to do that. You can automatically see what is in the bin because it's clear, transparent, and so that makes it much easier to find things that you'll put away and need to find later. Point number two, it keeps you from rummaging through different bins to find the thing that you actually need because you can see inside it. So you don't have to go to a bin or a place that you put something and just be like, okay, man, where is it? And you're throwing stuff out of the bin, trying to figure out where it is. And you finally get to the bottom, and it's not even the thing that you want to find in the first place. And so now you got to go look through another bin or another place to find the thing that you really want to find. As opposed to you have a clear storage bin, can look at it, say, is that the thing I need? Nope. But this one over here is where that thing is. Now, if you had an opaque storage bin, you would be going over into the other storage bin, looking through it, find out it's not in there, and then you got to go find which storage bin it's actually in. As opposed to when it's clear, when you have a clear storage bin, you can look and immediately find it. It's going to save you massive amounts of time and frustration because of the fact that you can see it and you don't have to go looking all through the whole storage bin to find it. You know if it's in there, you know where it is. You can look there and see where it is located within the bin so you know how far you get to move stuff over to get to it. Point number three, you really don't need a label on a clear storage bin. You can have one. It might make things even faster to find the thing that you want to find. But with a clear storage bin, you can just look inside and say, okay, that's my thing that I want there. And you should have some idea of what you put in the clear storage bin. Or if you're trying to help someone else find something, they should tell you what's in the bin that you're looking for so that you know what to look for. And that means you don't really have to have a label on a clear storage bin. And the last thing is if you use clear storage bins, it's going to make things look more uniform. It's not going to have this like chaotic thing of red and blue and green and all different kind of spaces. Because I know when I look at something like that, I'm like, man, I just want to have some order to the colors so I can see all the red ones, all the blue ones, all the green ones. But if you have clear storage bins, they're all the same color, they're all transparent, they're all clear. You just look there and say, this looks much better than to have all these random colors each and everywhere. And maybe that's just me, but it does make things look more uniform. So if that is a thing for you that you just don't like to have all these different colors all over the place, and you like something more uniform that makes it look, in my opinion, more organized, then that is one more advantage of a clear storage bin. So, what do you think about all this? What do you think about everything I said about clear storage bins? Is it something you're going to use now? Have you thought about it? Is it something you're going to use because you heard about it in this video? Let me know. Also, let me know if you have anything else that you use to help you find things quicker. I'd love to hear about those in the comments. And if you want to learn more about decluttering, I'm just going to put my decluttering playlist up here because I got a few different videos and you can watch any of those, all of those, whichever ones you want to watch. And hopefully they help you declutter better. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you later.